got 2 new knives. I sold all my skins. I have a Pyramid Doppler on this side and M9 Marble Fade on the other side.
Nice.
So I mean, move over, because I'm the captain now. Oh, you're taking the USB. That's cheating.
And the bomb plant.
He's gooshed. Oh my god, 91. Kill yourself. Okay, you know what? Take my